Roofing news for June 4th, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and each day I go through hundreds of videos and articles so you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to subscribe. And below the video, I put all the links so you can watch the full video and article. And I want to wish you a National Roofing Week. And we'll start off with in Dallas, Texas on June 10th to the 12th, the Restore Annual Conference. And one of the displays that will be there is Polyglass. They are at the Polyglass to exhibit the Western Roofing Expo in 2019. And Atlas Roofing tweeted out their FlexCore technology. So you can see
prevent core, lay flat,
how the
faster,
Core 4
providing a
shingles
smooth-
will benefit you. OMG Roofing Products tweeted out their new Rhino Bond. And the latest outlook right now from Hailpoint, looks like down in El Paso, Texas, New Mexico, and up here in the Des Moines, Minnesota area, severe thunderstorm outlook. And Roofing Solutions by Eric Garcia, how to install a solar roof fan. So you might get some tips and tricks from that. And Becca Switzer, what do you do if you're worried about people stealing your jobs? Well, she talks about the best defense is a good offense. And my buddy El Rafero, it's in Spanish, but out in Lawrence, Kansas, he was showing me the side. Look at the size of that hell out there. And Chad Michaels, great tutorial on Xactimate. This is part 5 of 5. And Drew's Roofing, if you want to see how to put on a roof for a mobile phone, a mobile home, he will show you how to do that. And also Chad Michaels, adjuster wants you to agree to estimate before payment. How to deal with, the insurance adjuster wanting to get through the claim as fast as possible. And Brian McDonald with Inspections Estimate talks about the whole process and how he can get you 40 to 200% higher on supplements. And in Denver, Colorado, Elite Roofing Supply opened a brand new location with all of their products. And this was tweeted out, the Snap Table Pro by Swenson Shear. So if you want to get into metal roofing,
Or tool house, whether it's your eave.
this might be something for you. And a Roofing Contractor magazine, the benefits of rooftop warning line systems for a roofing contractor. I've talked about, roofers falling from the roof and, a lot of tragedy happening. This might be an article you want to take a look at to help protect your workers. And in the Lincoln County News, Amish businessmen to manufacture metal roofing siding in Whitefield. And we got to finish it out with the best damn roofer. I guess he was thrown off of Facebook. I don't know why. Well, I can imagine why, but he will give you some laughs and some opinions about that. You can also follow me on Twitter. Just type in Roofer News or Roofer News 1 and you can follow me there. Also, I have a brand new landing page. The link is down below, right below this. Learn everything you need on your roofing website to rank on Google. So because I'm a authorized dealer with the Roofing Webmasters, you will learn everything you need totally free. You got to do this. Every new roofer needs this. What you should do to your website to get ranked higher, more phone calls and leads. So that is the news for June 4th, 2019. Happy Roofing Week, and thanks so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.